The President's Report by Mr. Manuel A. Santos, Class 69, President and Chairman of the Board, Manuel A. Quezon High School Alumni Foundation, Incorporated.
This is supposed to be a report of our accomplishments, but more than the report, I think I have to look forward. What we have to do more. Actually, we are asking some the younger batches to join us in the foundation. That really much are really taking the call to join us. I'm glad we have here the batch 83, the first batch to hit the call to join the foundation. Sa totoo lang, hindi naman masarap sa foundation sumama dahil gumagastos ka. Pero later on, you will know why we in the foundations really enjoying to be a member of the foundation. Next year, I will not be the president anymore. However, I will still be in the, what do you call that one? We are the advisory council. Kami dalawa ni Tony. For the past 10 years, supposed to be, we have to change the president every 2 years. Because not so many are interested to be the president. For the past 10 years, kami pa lang ni Tony lang nagiging president. But I told the young members that we have to evolve. New blood must come in. Well, pero historians, pero alumni, I'm really pleased, I'm very thankful. Talagang ang dami yung nag-attend. It always shows yung talagang may puso din kayo para sa mga ating ginagawa. Well, we in the foundation, nagsasaya lang kami. We just enjoy. And besides enjoying, we were able to do something good for the school, for the student tree. In fact, we lined up so many projects ahead. Si Architect Cabildo, Frederick Cabildo, seated over there. He looked and he will design the library of our school. Architect Cabildo, stand to be recognized. Yan, libre ba ng bayan dyan, ha? Diba, Architect, walang bayan, diba? But this, the Batch 69 will be holding its Ruby anniversary next year, 40th namin. And I will work hard to fund that project. Aside from the reaction there, marami na nagawa ang alumni. Pero masigit sa nagawa namin we are enjoying and we are enjoying and we love each other's company. And I want you to enjoy us to have the same feeling. Marami na rin natulungan na nakagraduate na rin and now they have a good job. And we're looking forward to increase the numbers of the recipients in the coming years. Younger batches, join us. It's fun. Hindi naman talaga. Magsama lang tayo. Let's work hard together. Hindi naman kami pwedeng habang panahon kami lang but we're still behind. Kayo, tutulungan namin kayo. And I'm very glad from the foundation really had done something much, had done so many projects without resorting to begging. We abhor the system of begging to our fellow alumni. Although, marami din naman ang kind-hearted na alumni na nagsusupport. Donations are coming from abroad. Batch 68 are very donated a very great sum. Sa Batch 69 din, sa mga kabatches ko. You know, I'm very it's an everyone of us in the foundation can stand everybody can stand and face everybody here. and we're very proud to be a member of the Alumni Association. Kami sa alumni, we operate, but we do not have operation expenses. Wala kaming gastos. So all the money that has been donated to us have been duly accounted for. Dumadami yung project pero yung pera hindi na babawasan. I'm very pleased to announce that as of this time, we still have a balance of over about 600,000 pesos. Meron pang surplus. That excludes some pledges coming from abroad, especially from Bus 69. Darating yan. Well, I cannot say more, but I just seek your cooperation. Yung merong konti, let's just help our younger generation and feel the pleasure of helping. Next year, si Engineer Ray nagbego maging presidente. As we know, he's a very, very busy man. So, somebody must come in and fill his and I guarantee you, mag-i-enjoy kayo sa Alumni Association. At ngayong gabi, I also will look forward to enjoyable night. We will be giving you good ones, which is also headed by fellow alumni. Nakikiusap lang po, to supportan natin, and let's enjoy, just enjoy. Magsaya tayo. Good evening, thank you so much.